So this one is given K is amount of capital. L is amount of labor used. R equal to, this is the unit price of capital. W equal to 12, unit cost of labor. So this question is asking you about the cost function. So this is cost function gives the for any given Q. So the G, the KL equal to R unit price of capital times K. K is amount of capital plus W times L and minus lambda square root of KL minus Q. So this Q is the produce quantity Q of the output. So this is the Q. So this is the formula we will use. Is equal to R is 8 times K plus 12 times L minus lambda square root of KL minus Q. So for the first order condition is so for the K, the first one, we need the derivative of the K. So is the K, so it's 8. So here is 0 because this is 0 minus lambda times this is equal to 0. This is 1/2 come in the front. So then KL, so this is 1/2 to the power 1/2 minus 1. So then derivative KL. So this is 1/2 to the KL to the power negative 1/2. Then derivative the KL, but we want to derivative the K. So for the K, it equal to 1. So L is a constant number, so it comes to L. So here, KL to the negative 1/2, so it can be 1 over KL to the 1/2, positive 1/2, then times L. We write like here. So then times L. So this is L times So equal to this one. For the lambda times this. So I can write lambda L and 1/2 times square root of KL. The first one is derivative of K, so the second one we need derivative of the L. This one can be write like 12, so it's 0 plus 12 minus lambda. Just same thing, but here it changed to K. K times 2 square root of KL. For the lambda, the minus KL minus Q equal to 0. This is 8 minus lambda L equal to 0. This is 12 minus lambda K 1/2 times KL square root of KL equal to 0. This is negative square root of KL plus Q equal to 0. So this is equation 1, equation 2. For the equation 1 and equation 2, so we here has a lambda. We can rewrite like this one. It's 8 equal to lambda L times 1/2 times 1/2 times K square root of KL. So this is 12 equal to lambda times K times 1/2 times square root of KL. Both sides. For this one, I just want to move this one to here, to this side. So for the 8 times equal to lambda. This one, I want to move this to this side. So 12 times over K equal to lambda. So here has lambda, here has lambda. So this is 1, this is 2. I want to the formula 1 equal to formula 2. 16 square root of KL over L equal to 24 times square root of KL over K. So this is 1 equal to 2. For this one, the KL can be cancelled. 16 over L equal to 24 over K. 16K, so I cross each other. 16K equal to 24L. L equal to 16K over 24. For the K is equal to 24L over 16. Both sides, the bottom and the top, both divided by the 8. So this is 2 divided by the 8. The bottom divided by the 8 is 3. So this K is equal to, so for this one, denominator divided by the 8 is equal to 2. Numerator divided by the 8 equal to 3. So we had the equation 3. So I want to put this K and L into the equation 3. I write down the equation 3 here. Negative square root of KL plus K q. So this is q equal to 0. Under square root k, I put L first. So k times 2k over 3 plus q equal to 0. Negative k square root 2 over 3 equal to negative q. So now I can cancel the negative. So k equal to q times, so 3 over 2. So this is k. So use this. Just put the L in the formula. Negative square root. I want to put the k in here. So k is this is 3 L over 2 times L times L plus q equal to 0. So negative L 3 over square root 3 over 2 equal to negative q. So L equal to q times 2 square root 2 over 3. So I got L and k. For the k, I can rewrite like k is so here at times 2, here at times 2. So this is q times square root of 6 over 2. So here at times 3 times 3. So L is equal to q times square root of 6 over 3. W times L plus R times k plus 120 fixed cost. So this is variable cost, this is fixed cost, is equal to the total cost. This is the formula for the cost function. So W is 12 times to the L plus R is 8. 8 times the K plus 100. So this is 4. This is Q. So not 9. So this is Q. This is Q. This is 4 square root of 6 Q plus 4 square root of 6 Q plus 120. So this is 8 square root of 6 Q plus 120. So this is the function we are looking for. So this is the cost function we are looking for. Cost function of the company is this. So this is the answer for this question.